What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Q50, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're gonna go ahead and head on over to Speedzone. What we have planned is going to be getting the roof wrapped. Going with the gloss black for this. I'll go ahead and turn around. I'm going to be going ahead and doing that, but I'm also going to be working on doing a blacked out look. I already got the vinyl for this, for the doors. I believe I have it for the back, and I have the emblems for the back, but I don't. Oh, I have it for the front grille as well, but I don't have one for the actual Infinity logo in the front. I may be going with the one that actually lights up, so I didn't look for something to make it just all black because they are like that. So I'll be going that route. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start heading on over to Speedzone. Alright, so I made it to Speedzone, and that was my car starting, as you heard. That was pretty dope. That's rusty, of course. Got me. I'm gonna take a look at some of the color palettes to see, because I'm thinking about doing a full car wrap eventually. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at those, and I'll probably pick up the camera once it's done. Decided to come to the back of Speedzone. Usually find something good back here, and we definitely do. Pretty dope. That as well. And still got the skyline. Let's see, we got the engine in this time. Let's see. Nah, still in progress over here. Alright, so it is done. It looks pretty good. Did a great job. It's funny because it really emphasizes how bad I needed to take that roof wrap off of the Ultima. They say about 2 to 3 years with just basic maintenance, and I didn't really do much of anything with the Ultima, and it was always parked out in the sun, so I definitely saw it when it needed to be taken off. But this one shouldn't be quite as bad because I will be able to park it in the garage. It won't always be in the garage, but it'll be in the garage enough, so I'll definitely keep an eye on it. But yeah, we'll go home, take it home, and then I can start working on, well, I'm gonna wait till it cools down a bit before I start working on trying to get the other gloss stuff on here, because it's too hot to be out here in the sun, unless I pull in the garage, but we'll see. Alright, so made it home. It's cooled off a bit. I went ahead and started, and was not having the luck that I needed, so I'm gonna hold off on doing it. We'll kind of address that at another time. But yeah, so far this is how we're looking. Pretty good. There's a couple spots in it, but that's not due to the wrap or the job itself. I did notice I had a couple spots in the paint, and so you can see them in the wrap, which is normal there. Let me see if I can show an example. Like there, I did notice I had chip paint as I was washing the car yesterday. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. I'm getting the car prepped. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. See what's in there. Getting it prepped for tomorrow. Be hitting the Speedzone for a few goodies there. Depending on how long this video is, this might just be the same video, but I was planning initially to have it where that will be another video. But I guess you will know here pretty soon, or you probably already know. But yeah, that's kind of where we're standing right there. Did speak with low life projects, we're going to set up an appointment for Sunday where we can adjust the actual coilovers, the bags, struts themselves. That way we can hopefully get a more comfortable ride height, or ride in general. Where it's sitting right now, it gets crazy low. I don't really need it to be super low, but if I can get it more comfortable rather than being that low, I will definitely go for the comfort. But yeah, that's kind of where we're at now. We're gonna see how it feels tomorrow when I get the wheels put on. But most people saying, yeah, it's not gonna feel any better. So we got that appointment on Sunday just in case. But I'm getting to the point, once this stuff is done from this next trip to Speedzone, I'm going to probably pause a little bit on the mods themselves. Mostly because I'll have it at a point to where I'm more comfortable with it. So I'll be, of course, adding my stickers and stuff, the tags and all that. But I'll probably do some small things here and there. I definitely want to do the sequential lights for the mirrors. That'll be coming soon. But I don't think I'm going to be doing anything else major for a little while. Basically, make sure everything's paid off that I do have. And then after that, I am not 100% sure exactly the route I'm gonna go, but most likely I'm going to be jumping into getting the bumper done, front bumper. If I could find a deal on the sport bumper, I might pull the trigger on that, but most likely what I'm gonna do is get the Blitz bumper. That's the one I want, so I'm gonna shoot for that. And I kind of want the carbon fiber side skirts, front fenders, and I definitely want the trunk. So what I want is first is the bumper, then the trunk. As far as the side or front fenders, I kind of want those. I'm not like completely where I need to have those, but that's kind of where I'm at in terms of the build itself. And then once I have those, we'll be going with the complete color change, most likely. I narrowed down a couple colors while I was at Speedzone, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna just go with wrap or if I'm gonna get the car painted or the route I'm gonna take just yet. Probably will do a wrap, but we will see. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below what you guys are thinking on in terms of that, how I should go about changing the color, and if you have any suggestions for a color change too, because it might be a color I haven't even suggested or thought about yet. So would definitely appreciate that. But I am constantly running into people while I'm out and about who have Infinities, and the community is pretty big here, so I'm trying to see if we can start getting people together. I know we have the GQ-VQs Florida. They link up with the guys in North Florida as well, Central Florida, North Florida. I found a lot of people in South Florida as well, so hopefully we can get an event together where we all can link up. That would be dope. I'll be keeping an eye out, see if there's anything. If not, I'll be working to create something. So if you guys know of any other crews with Infinities in the area, let me know. I'm still gonna be linking up with everybody else, so don't get it twisted, but I'm definitely looking to branch out into the Q community. But that's enough rambling for this video. Looks like I am gonna end it for this one, but before we end it, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. The comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.